Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily install or roll back to previous AMD driver. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to the taskbar and right click on the Windows icon. In the menu, click on Device Manager. After that, go to Display Adapters, double click on it or simply click on the drop down menu beside it and then click on the driver. Go to its property and you can see that it works. Go to driver and as you can see the rollback driver option is not available. So click on update driver, click on browse and then you will see the option of driver. Select it and then you will be able to good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.